In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to Monday.com. Whether you're managing a project or just trying to keep everyone on the same page, adding contacts can really streamline communication and coordination. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your board, navigate to the specific board where you want to add your contacts. This is where you'll organize your tasks and team interaction. Your board is essentially your central hub within Monday.com, so make sure you choose the right one that relates to the people or tasks you'll be working with. Next, it's time to add a people or contact column. You'll do this by clicking the plus add column button, which you'll find typically at the far right of your existing columns. When you click it, a menu of options will appear where you can select either the people or contact column, depending on what your board type supports. The choice between these two depends largely on what you're trying to achieve. Use people when your focus is on team roles and responsibilities, and contact if you're looking to track external contacts such as clients or stakeholders. Once you've added your column, it's time to fill it in with contact information. Click on a cell in your newly created column to start entering details. You can input names, email addresses, phone numbers, or if they're already part of your Monday.com team, you can simply select existing members. This allows you to customize your board further, ensuring all your valuable contact data is right at your fingertips. Now that you've added and entered details for your contacts, it's crucial to remember to save your changes. Monday.com usually autosaves, but it's always a good idea to double check to ensure everything you added is properly stored. Your contacts are now an integral part of your board, which opens up a myriad of possibilities for team interaction and productivity. With your contacts successfully added, you can now assign tasks, set reminders, and send updates directly from Monday.com, making it easier to keep everyone in the loop. By having your contacts right on your board, tracking project progress and maintaining communication becomes seamless, enhancing overall productivity. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to add contacts to Monday.com, making your project management more efficient and cohesive. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more guides on optimizing your Monday.com experience. See you next time.